Hi everyone. I am doing my final project, or I'm presenting my final project. Um, so this is Up North Lodge. This project is a responsive resort and lodging website built using HTML, CSS, and PHP, Bootstrap, and MySQL. So let's just click through on the resolution so we can see the mobile. And if we just click on like view rooms, we can see how it looks. Go back to normal, and then I will zoom in and see tablet tablet view. 1 second here. I'll go back to normal. So the goal of this project was to create like a fully functional lodge website, and I'll just click through as I'm talking, make sure, or so that you can see everything works. Yeah, so it's a fully functional lodge website that displays different accommodations. We can see here view rooms. We have different types. I think it's 17 um, and activities while connecting to a MySQL database for dynamic content. And then I'll show that database at the end of the video. Um, let's do, yeah, so this website has multiple pages. It allows users to browse accommodations, explore activities, and contact the lodge through contact form right here, and it works. We'll just do this cabin, send message, and then we have the result right here. Okay. This page right here, so the accommodations page, it's these are generated dynamically, and we have different types for each accommodation type, different prices, as you can see, per night, different pictures. And then, so this page dynamically pulls data from my SQL database here. Like I said, I'll show that later. So I used SQL queries, excuse me, and join statements to connect accommodation information with related view categories. Oh, sorry about that. These are. Oh, let me just. My dog is. Sorry. These accommodations are automatically organized, and we do have different CSS. You can see here throughout the website. But yeah, the activities pages, we'll click that. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm already here. Uses Bootstrap cards and responsive right here grid layouts to organize the information in a pretty easy way to read and yeah, view. It's a good viewing experience. So when we hover over, we can see the blue effect and the kind of the zoom out. But yeah, it's animated. The buttons are animated. They're smooth. Okay, what do we need to cover? So you can see here the live. Let's do inspect. Oh yeah. So I've already showed the responsive website design on mobile, desktop, and then I zoomed in for the tablet view. Yeah, so like I said about the contact us page, this is a form that I created. It allows users to submit any messages, and it redirects them to a customized. Here, we'll do it again just to ensure customized thank you page. Well, we will get back to you within 1 to 2 business days. And you can click back home here. And then now we will go through the database. I forgot to say, I do have a JQ that's not working currently. It's supposed to basically rotate the hero background slideshow and fade transitions between the images that I put in there, but it doesn't seem to be working. But Okay, we'll just move on to the database. Uh, okay, so yeah, here's my table. Let me make sure you can see. I want to make sure. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, we can see it. Okay. Um so yeah, anyways, I used the MySQL workbench to create and manage my database tables, and we can see all the data is, yeah, it's all on this table right here. We have a few tables. The website basically retrieves the accommodation information directly from the database. And this makes it easier so we don't have to hard code all the content, if that makes sense. I think I'm saying it correctly. And I also used join statements. I used join statements throughout my structure. Uh, I would say the biggest challenge for me was actually the JQ. I don't know why, but on top of that, one of my biggest challenges was connecting the website to the database as well. I think that's what's going on with my JQ here because it worked before. And yeah, so it makes my data not display correctly across the site, unfortunately. My biggest success, the part that I'm most proud of would be the accommodation page. I think it just looks really nice. It dynamically pulls from the database that I set up, and then it organizes it by itself. And then, biggest thing I learned, I would say the biggest thing I learned is just how front end design connects with back end databases. It all ties back to the workbench here, and I learned a lot through this because creating like a dynamic website was not easy. But yeah, thank you for watching my presentation. I'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.